Hey guys, it's Suna X here. I'm just recording a video of me unboxing my new pair of Adidas boots. As you can see here, sorry about the lighting. Adidas Performance. Yep, I got a pair of F30. Yeah, we kind of bought it a big size, even though I wear 10, but as my feet are broad, I gotta buy a size bigger. Okay, let's see the inside. There's no sheet, the Adidas paper sheet, as the store owner kind of throw it away. So yeah, these are the boots. They're black and lime. So this is the pair of boots that I got. I kind of bought them at 129 Sing dollars. Yeah. As you can see here, it states F30. Even though the side they put F50, it's an F30, alright? Is that there? Yeah, it had to. It's nice boot overall. I wanted to get the warning color one, the orange ones, but they are currently out of stock. Can't do anything much about it. Had to get this pair as I really need a pair of soccer boots, and I really wanted to buy this pair of boots, the F30 Adi0 Prime. So yeah, I've wore Nike, Puma, Umbro, many brands before, and I haven't tried Adidas before. So these are kind of my first Adidas boots. So pretty flashy. See the Adidas and the lines. The stars are in lime green. Yeah. The insides are. So yeah. These are the pair of first Adidas boots I got. Nike Adidas F30. So yeah, that's all. We'll maybe do a review about the boots soon. Alright, okay, see you guys, bye.